How we doing, chat? We got two boxes here we're gonna be opening. And why do they have these sleeves on them? Not gonna lie, I have no idea. What are they protecting? The packaging art, I guess. Anyways, we're doing a pack opening today, guys. We got two boxes, 7 packs each, 4 cards a pack. We got the 2025 kakawow Aura DC Trading Cards Blaster. So I'm guessing Blaster, booster means card, Blaster means the 7 packs. So let's get right into it. That one's open. Second box. I do like these boxes though, like the arts on them. The arts are pretty sick. $7 each. I'll be using these boxes to collect up all the cards. But yeah, we have 14 packs. Okay. Let's get right into it, y'all. First pack. Doesn't seem like it wants to open. Seems pretty sealed very well. There we go. We are good. Okay. First up, we got Lex Luthor. Pretty sick. Next up, we got a James Gordon before he was Commissioner Gordon. Next up, we have a Black Lightning. That one's pretty sick. And for our rare is Sinestro. Okay. Sinestro is pretty cool. I like him. I like the backgrounds of these cards, though. One thing I will say that they do need to work on. Like, I know y'all can see that. Like, there's no way y'all can't see that. The bend in these cards is diabolical. Next pack. Okay. That was a horrible rip. Okay, first up we got Nubia. Next up we got Naomi. Not sure who either of these are. We got a Gotham Legend. That's pretty sick. I do like that card. Oh, we got another. We got Batman versus the Joker. Gotham Legends. So we got 2 Gotham Legends. Pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Next up. Wait, no, we go this side. This one's feeling pretty thick. He's a thick one. Mr. Grinch. Okay, first up we got Bane. That's sick. I'm glad I got Bane. That art looks dope. Next up we got Brainiac. Pretty sick. Brainiac's pretty cool. Next up we got King Shark. That's one of the ones I wanted. I'm so glad I got that. That one's a cool card. If you don't know who King Shark is, go watch The Suicide Squad. And we got a Killer Croc. Wow, is it numbered? Not numbered, but that's definitely our hit. For sure. Killer Croc's pretty sick. Okay. First up, we got John Constantine. I have this already. This is like my 3rd copy of him. Red Arrow. I like this card. This card's nice. I like it. We got Rausch. Or Rorsch. I got him already too. He's from Watchmen. And then, oh wow. We have an Atom Smasher. That's definitely our hit. This is probably one of my favorite characters from the box so far. Pretty sick. Atom Smasher. Okay, we have a Batman card on the end, which is probably a Gotham Legends card. We got Captain Cold. We got... who is that? Mr. Terrific. He looks pretty cool. I don't know about that face paint, though. Then we got a Metropolis Gotham... No, a Metropolis Legend, Superman versus General Zod. And then we got another Gotham Legends. That one's sick. That's the one that I wanted. Pretty cool. Okay. I'm getting good stuff. Not gonna lie. That Batman is just so sick, bro. That's supposed to be like that? I think that's supposed to be like that. Okay. First up, we got Mira. Okay. Next up, we got Wonder Woman. Okay, I needed her. I think I did need her. Okay, Robin. Not bad, not bad. I wouldn't mind a second Robin. And then we got a movie card from The Batman. Okay. Pretty sick. Pretty cool. ADC DCL 36. Oh my god. We got something crazy, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. How much is that worth? We got something crazy, y'all, this pack. Okay. The first card we get is Dr. Fate. That is one of the cards that I was looking for. I'm glad I pulled that. That is just such a sick card. Look at that art, dude. Next up, we got Supergirl. Okay. Okay, Cyclone. That's another cool card that I wanted. Didn't really care if I pulled her or not, but now we do have her, and I'm glad we have her. Sick card. And then the double-sided Wonder Woman. Wow. That's crazy. That's a good card. That is so cool. I pulled an $80 Superman that looked exactly like her, just with Superman on it. Next up, okay. Next up, we pull a Shazam. Okay. We got Batman. I have Batman already. Mr. Freeze. I needed that. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that? What is that? Catwoman? That is so sick. It's like signed. It says, congratulations, you have received the Catwoman script art trading card. Enjoy your memorabilia card. Wow, what a hit. What an actual hit, y'all. Oh my goodness. Dude, I'm getting all the goodies. Okay, we have 6 more packs left, y'all. Okay. First up, we got Aquaman. I think I needed Aquaman for the Justice League. Next up, we got Lex Luthor. Okay, that one's sick. Batman and Robin. Gotham Legends. That's a cool card. That's a sick card. And Metropolis Legends, Superman versus Lex Luthor. I might have gotten this already. Not really sure, but that is sick. That is sick. MLI 07, but I like this card. Both of these cards are pretty cool, though. Okay. Next up, let's see what we get out of this pack. Okay, first up, we got Mr. Terrific again. Not a bad card. Another Dr. Fate. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. This is one of my favorite cards in the entire series. A regular card, by the way. Okay, we got another Supergirl. And Okay, we got Superman. So we got Batman and Superman now. Nice. It's a movie card from Superman Returns. Okay, so we got Batman and Superman now. So that's cool. The two main ones. Next up, we got, let's see what's in this pack. We have 4 packs left. Like I said, y'all, these boxes are loaded, bro. James Gordon for our first card. Black Lightning, another cool guy that I like. Art-wise, for this at least. We got Nubia. It's kind of a lame card. And then what is that, bro? Number 1 January. Sensation Comics. The newest of the DC magazines. Featuring the sensational new adventure strip character Wonder Woman. Okay. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. It says Sensation Comics number 1. Pretty sick. I like the art on that. Okay. First up, we got Cyclone. Next up, we got Aquaman. We got something back there. It was peeking. Let's see what we get. A Metropolis Legend Superman again. Versus Lex Luthor. I love this pose. And then the Lex Luthor also looks sick in the card. And last but not least, oh, another one. Another Superman. It's pretty sick. I like that one, actually. That's a cool one. And obviously, this is our rare. Okay. We have a Red Arrow. Next up, we have a Rorsch again. It's pretty sick, actually. I like the Rorsch. Next up, we have Mira once again. I don't know who this is. I think this is Aquaman's girlfriend. It looks like it. And Red Arrow Refractor. Nice. Very last pack, y'all. Okay. We have a Naomi. Next up, we have a Naomi. Once again, that's wild that I get 2 in a row. Then we get John Constantine, probably one of the worst cards in the set. Thank you. And then we get Superman. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's sick. Superman. Okay. Not a bad pull. That's our good one. Nice. And that is everything we got today, y'all. Here, let's check out what we got today. So we got that, obviously. We have that, which is a refractor. Sensational number 1 comics. Gotham Legends, probably my favorite pull of the day. Besides the Catwoman and one other Gotham Legends. That Catwoman is sick. Then we pulled a Wonder Woman. A double-sided Wonder Woman. And then we got another Sinestro refractor. And then we pulled an Atom Smasher and a Killer Croc. Which, I don't know what this is. I guess it's a rare card. Not really sure, but it is sick. That is another one of my favorites that I pulled today. And then we have Metropolis Legend. Where do I put Metropolis Legend at? Oh, he doesn't have a pile. We'll just set him here. Then we pulled that, a regular one. Movie card. Another movie card. Batman. And then a refractor Metropolis Legend. A regular Metropolis Legend. Pretty sick. I have that one already, though. And then we got Gotham Legend. Here it is. This is my other favorite one. Batman. And last but not least, we pull Batman versus the Joker. Great cards, great pulls out of those two boxes. I'm not going to lie. That was a wonderful box. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll catch y'all in the next opening. See ya.